Meet SIIG's Type-C wireless extender kit, a plug-and-play small meeting room solution which transmits 1080p signal up to 30 meters from a USB-C device. On the receiver side, we have a power adapter, a connection and data transmission LED, and an HDMI output. On the transmitter side, we have a connection LED and a power LED, and one Type-C input. The receiver is connected via an HDMI cable to the monitor or display. From your laptop, just plug in the transmitter unit and you're ready to present. This can also be plugged into a phone with Type-C. It's important to note that the USB-C source port must support display alternative mode. No additional software or installation is required. Simplify your display extension with this straightforward setup for small huddle or meeting rooms. Thank you for watching.